Hello to all Cricut lovers, and today I'm gonna tell you how to use Cricut transfer tape. I made this video for those people who never used a transfer tape before and for those who feel that they might need a little help with it. So first of all, let's find out what the transfer tape is. Transfer tape or application tape is a paper or a plastic film that can be placed on the top of the sticker or piece of vinyl to make the sticker easier to apply. So basically, transfer tape allows you to see exactly where to place and position your vinyl decals. Now let's move to the process itself. Cut your design. Then, weed away all of the excess around your design. Couple words about brands of a transfer tape. There are a wide variety of brands of a transfer tape on the market, and I personally use this brand for all of my crafts. I will leave you a link below so you can find it on Amazon. When you are left with only the design you want to transfer, then you will need to cut the piece of transfer tape a little larger than your design. Now, peel back the backing paper, but don't throw away it. Put the transfer paper on your design, and then use your Cricut scraper. Remove the backing paper. Your decal has now moved to the transfer paper and is ready to be carried for your project surface. Remember about baking paper. Save this, so you can put the transfer tape back on it and use later. Another good method is when you gradually remove the backing paper. And yes, this is the same piece of transfer paper. As you can see, it can be used until it loses its thickness. So now you know how to use the transfer tape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a thumb up if you like this video. See you in the next crafting projects. Bye!